Hello!
Hi.
More Series 2, Wave 2 mini brands. Thank you so much, Mini Brands and Zuru, for sending these to us. You guys can get them in stores on April 9th. Let's do one. Took the plastic off. Let's do it. Here's the first one. Doesn't want to open. Oh my gosh, there. Okay. Ooh, mustard! Look at that one. All right, next we have... This is cute. Look at it. It's Clip. I love that one. All right, next one. I see a checklist. What else is in here? What is that? Oh, look at it. That's so cute. What is it? Oh, like candy. And then we have... Oh, this is full of new... Wow, relish. We got mustard and relish. And finally, I'm thinking this is like a shelf or something because I can hear a lot in there. Yep, definitely a shelf or a cart. It was a shelf. Bye, guys.
Bye.